So in this demonstration, I wanted to show you what happens when a blow dryer falls into the sink. So about an hour ago, I went out and bought this blow dryer right here. Here's the instructions that came with it. Talks about it having a built-in ALCI protection. And it also talks about the importance of having a ground fault circuit interrupter installed prior to using the blow dryer, which I 100% agree with. And if you don't have one, hire an electrician. And it talks about how GFCIs save lives, which I 100% agree with. Then it talks about a regular fuse or circuit breaker won't protect you under these circumstances. A GFCI offers you much greater protection, which I agree with in most applications. So let's see what happens here. We got a sink full of water. We got our blow dryer. We have our receptacle, which is a Class A GFCI protection, which trips when a ground fault current exceeds 5 milliamps. Built into the cord, you'll see the blow dryer has the ALCI, which is an appliance leak circuit interrupter, which is designed to interrupt the circuit when ground fault current exceeds 6 milliamps. So let's see what happens when this blow dryer falls into the sink. So now we have current in the sink, and the blow dryer is still functioning, and both the GFCI and the ALCI has not tripped. So now I shut off the blow dryer. So we've seen that the GFCI and the ALCI has both failed to trip in this demonstration. Both of the devices were actually tested prior to this demonstration, and both tested to be fine and in working condition. Now you can see why this would be a dangerous situation. You have a blow dryer, and your initial reaction is to grab the blow dryer before it falls into the water. And if this is what your first instinct was, which it is for many, you'd find yourself in a very dangerous situation. You'd find yourself being exposed to current, and when you have current in the water, you'd be parallel with that current. And when you're parallel with that current, you would be the path of least resistance, which could lead to electrocution or death, which is an extremely dangerous situation.